Dear viewers, today we will discuss very important topic related to economics. We will discuss Robbin's definition of economics. So, first of all, we will discuss what is the definition of economics according to Robbin. Lionel Robbin, 1898 to 1984, was a British economist who is best known for his definition of economics as a science that studies human behavior as a relationship between ends and scarce, means which have alternative uses. According to Robbins' definition, economics is concerned with how individuals and societies allocate scarce resources to meet their unlimited wants and needs. He emphasized that economics is not just about the production and distribution of goods and services, but also about the choices people make when faced with limited resources. Robert's definition of economics highlights the central importance of scarcity and choices in economic analysis. He argued that economics should focus on understanding the behavior of individuals and organizations as they make decisions about how to use scarce resources in the most efficient and effective way possible. Robert's definition of economics has had a lasting impact on the field, and his ideas have been widely adopted by economists and policymakers around the world. His approach to economics is still widely studied and is considered a cornerstone of modern economic thought.